Hello everyone, Triple NI here with my capacitor charger which has a very ugly heatsink on it, not good. I did that because I didn't want this MOSFET to have the same fate as this one. Let me show you. I get my multimeter, I put it on continuity and then I probe the MOSFET single-handedly. So this is oops, stupid thing doesn't want to beep. Yeah, better. So as all of you probably know, the heatsink tab on the MOSFET is connected to drain and the pinout is gate, drain and source. So right now we are probing between drain and source, and that's not supposed to happen. And now we are probing between drain and drain, which is obvious, and now we are probing between gate and drain, which is also not supposed to happen. I have no idea why, but this thing is totally cramped, I suppose. Can't use this anymore. And I have a new driver circuit for my capacitor charger. It's basically just a 555 with an adjustable duty cycle at around 100 kilohertz or something. So this is these are all the oscillator boards I've done so far. One variable frequency and duty cycle which didn't work, excuse me. A variable frequency with the homemade driver, abandoned. A variable frequency with a ready-made driver which I had been using and didn't work. And now this variable duty cycle driver. So what I think is that these kind of flyback things, oops, what the hell is going on? These flyback kind of things need a variable duty cycle driver. So now I'm gonna short the charge pin and look what happens to the neon bulb. If we run it for a bit longer, something that I want the neon bulb to do, it does. First let me get the focus right, better. I am running this for some time now. Running it. Whoa. And did you see that? The cathode glows red hot, which is one of my design objectives, which means this thing is capable of outputting very high powers. And you should have seen what happened to the drain to source voltage. I'm gonna attempt to turn this thing on again. Yeah, and now, oops, here you go. The drain to source voltage goes almost off the scale and then it linearizes like this. It's consuming 3 amps. The thing is, oh god, the cathode was so hot. Yeah, and by the way, my MOSFET, how hot does this thing get? Yeah, nothing, absolutely nothing. Maybe the heatsink is taking out some of the heat, but this is excellent. It's finally working, and I'm not sure if you got my duty cycle. It was around 15 something %. So not bad, absolutely not bad. I'm very happy. Let me get this thing soldered. I'll try to take this off the heatsink and let's see what happens then.